Well, it's open enrollment for buying healthcare on the health exchange. That's healthcare.gov. First of all, be careful of those real cheap plans because they don't give you much at all. But more importantly, they also have to buy dental insurance, but there's no subsidy to help you buy dental insurance. And my friend who was helping with this last year, she wound up paying like $2,000 extra a month for dental insurance, but paid for nothing. She wound up having to pay $1,500 extra in dental surgeries and stuff like that. So, but we went to the county government and tell the county has a program for free, but it's not in the health exchange. You won't find it there. You have to find it separately and do work. So do research on your county government and say for the county she's in, her income requirement was up to 250% of poverty. I mean, that's $40,000 just for a family of two, and she gets all her dental care for free.